welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another DIY. I love DIYs, and I've been seeing that tie-dye has been trending and is trending, and a lot of people are looking for like these cool tie-dye sets. However, the price range for those items are not in my budget. Like, I've seen sweatsuits just for the top alone that's tie-dye to be anywhere from $50 to $70. Off-White has the entire tie-dye set for $1,200, and that's not gonna work it for me. So I'm here to show you an easy DIY project for you guys to do since it's quarantine. Very simple, very easy. Do it with your friends, your family, your bae. Have matching sweatsuit sets. How cute would that be? Okay. You'll need rubber band, the sweatsuit of choice that you want to tie-dye, or bleach tie-dye, which I'm going to do. Tie-dye, of course, you'll need a tie-dye set, but however, I'm doing a black sweatsuit. I want it to be bleach tie-dye and all that jazz. Also, it's just a cute activity. You're going to look cute chilling in the house, your Netflix and chill outfit. So yeah, getting supplies for this might not be the easiest. However, I want you guys to get creative like I did. I can only find one measly rubber band throughout the entire house, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. So I'm going to use that rubber band, but I'm also going to use shoestrings. These are plain black shoestrings that no one cares about. I don't care about. They can get bleached, and that'll be kind of cool to put in your sneakers. Cool, I'll show you that too. I'm just so smart. That's a great idea. So we'll use these to basically hold your tie-dye pattern or print together. You're going to get your sweatsuit. I'm just going to use this plain black sweatsuit top and bottoms. I'll link it below. It was super cheap from Walmart. I think for the entire set it was like $16 or something like that, and I got black, red, blue, and gray. So this is going to be my quarantine and chill outfits all the time, but I just wanted to do these first. And then of course you're going to need your bleach, so stay tuned. I'll show you how to wrap it, bleach it, and all that jazz. I am wearing a waist trainer. We're going to be snatched after this quarantine, so don't come for me. But we'll work with the top first because that's the easiest for a lot of people to work with. So you want to take your sweat top and you want to lie it down flat. Make sure everything is even, flat, and laid out. Move back a little bit so you can see. Whee! Right? Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a rubber band nearby, for when you twist it, you can easily hold it together. And then what I'm going to do, because supplies are limited, I'm going to take the shoestrings, fold it in half, like so, and then cut at the top. And you can use this to secure your tie-dye sweatshirt or sweatpants as well. So now it depends where you want the twist to be or where you want the circle to start. Now some people traditionally start in the middle, which you can. You can start to the side, you can start on the shoulder, you can start down here. Any way you want to do it, you can do it. I'm going to start to the left a little bit, and then you're going to pinch the middle here, and then you're just going to twist. Twist. Keep twisting. Keep twisting, keep twisting until it's nice and tight. Now you see where you have this excess fabric over here. You just want to fold it together like so, so you can create a nice little circle. So it has like a nice little bunch like this. Then you're going to take your rubber band, try to keep the circle in place like so. Okay. And then we're going to take a piece of that shoestring because times are hard and we can't find rubber bands anywhere. And we are going to tie it. Now, a lot of people use a lot of different rubber bands. That's just going to give you more like lines within the tie-dye. I'm fine with 4 because that's all I have to work with, so I'm going to have to be fine with it. And this is the sweatshirt bundle. Ding! I'm going to put that to the side. And pants always have been pretty tricky for me. So we're going to lay your pants all the way down like so. I'm going to cut the second shoestring. Uh-oh, that's a knot in it. Cut the second shoestring in half. Boop. Now for pants, some people like to do the scrunch method, which is basically you're folding, scrunching, folding, scrunching, folding, scrunching. I don't want to do that method because I want the tracksuit to be cohesive through the top and the bottom, so I want them to have that spiral effect. So it depends on where you want your spiral to be again. I'm going to start dead smack in the middle here. And what you can do is, again, pinch the middle and just start to twist. Twist, twist. Now gather the legs, twist them all around, creating a nice tight circle. Then we're going to take our shoestring, slip it underneath the sweatpants. Okay. Tie it together in a knot. Now I like to do it rather tight. The tighter the string, the more defined the print will be. If you have a loose twist, it's not going to be like a nice defined tie-dye. So try to make sure it's nice and tight. And then again, we're going to tie here. Boop. Boop. And here is your bottom. Boop. And this is your top. Boop. Now the thing about the next step is you will be using bleach. You want to make sure you're bleaching your items in a well-ventilated area. I'm not going to bleach it indoors because I'm not going to bleach it indoors because I don't want the bleach to get on the carpet. I don't want to fall out. So I'm going to bleach it outside, and let's go. I thought I could do it outside, but I can't because there was a wasp nest. So what you're going to need is a plastic bag if you're doing it indoors. Break it in half like so, just so you have more room on here. You want to lay it down like this. Take your tie-dye set here and put it on. Can you guys see? Put it on the plastic, and then you want to grab your bleach. So we have our bleach. Some people say use splashless. It really doesn't matter. My only tip for using bleach on here is just you don't want to put a lot in a certain section. You just kind of want to sprinkle it on there. Let it do its own thing through the flick of the wrist. You know, because you still want the majority of the sweatshirt to be black. And you want to do the same with the pants. Flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Comment down below if you know that song. Woo! Then, since there's already bleach on the bag, you can flip it over and dip it in there. Ooh! Let it soak up all that bleach. Then, again on the other side. Alright guys, this is what it's looking like after 10 minutes. For some reason the top is lighter than the bottom, but we'll see what that means. I'm going to take the strings and rubber bands off, pop them in the washer and dryer, and then I'll show you how it looks after that. Yay! It came out so nice. So this is the front, back. This is the back. Boop. Let's give it a little close up. So, wow. Who has to pay $50, $100, $1,200 for something that you can do for a measly $16? $20 max if you want to include supplies and bleach. So, if you guys like this DIY, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to comment. Follow your girl on Instagram at JazzyJSauce. And I'm thinking about coming back with another tie-dye video, but this time I'm going to show you a more advanced tie-dye technique. Spiral is very easy to do, but I'm going to show you how to do it vertical, horizontal, and then like dot or starry night tie-dye. I used to be a tie-dye queen in high school, so this was fun, easy, and something that I genuinely enjoy doing. So let me know if you want to see another video like this, because I had a lot of fun doing it. See you next time.